Morning, Mr. Phillips. Okay, on the iPhone 12, good morning to you. What's your name, please?
Kiana Riley.
Say that again, I'm sorry.
Kiana Riley.
Kiana Robbins?
Riley, R-I-L-E-Y.
Ma'am, is that a bonnet on your head?
No, this is my work thing, but I can take it off.
Good morning, Mr. Beck.
Good morning.
Who's your client?
My client is Marco Garcia.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, on the Samsung device, the young lady, what is your name, please? Samsung.
Alejandro.
¿Cómo se llama usted? ¿Cómo se llama usted? Samsung.
Alejandro Becerra Vargas.
Okay. Alejandro
Okay.
Varga, right?
Sí.
Not Alejandro Estrada. Alejandro Rodriguez Estrada.
Alejandro Becerra Vargas.
Okay. I don't believe I have him on the docket, but all right, ma'am, on the Samsung, ma'am, ¿cómo se llama usted?
Your Honor, is it possible that the last person who spoke could be the first one at 8:30? And instead of saying the first part, just say it the last name, Vargas?
Well, I'm talking about the Vargas. I don't see him on the docket.
The one at page 1 at 8:30 is Alejandro. It's cut off and Vargas.
Yes, there it is. Okay, very well. That's great. Great. That's him. Yes, that is him. On that, so he's on the phone. I'm speaking to that young lady up there.
Is you talking about me, the iPhone?
No, I've already checked you in, ma'am. Good morning. I've already checked you in.
Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Law.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, Phillips.
Good morning.
Now here we have Samsung. I'm gonna write her a message. One Samsung device.
Hello?
Hello,
Yeah.
good morning to you. What's your name, sir?
Mr. Lee. I supposed to be on the
Got help right here. Good morning, Ms. Phillips.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Mr. Lee, what is your first name?
Michael Roosevelt Lee. Michael Lee. How you doing, sir? How you doing,
Very
Mr. President?
well.
And I tried to get on there yesterday. I didn't know what it's for. I'm the one we had. You just gave me a deal from having a baby, but I tried to pay online and they wouldn't allow me. I got like 6 tickets. We already handled it. They won't let me pay.
We're already talking some stuff I don't want to hear. How is the baby?
Right here.
Oh, good, beautiful, beautiful. Good morning, how are you doing?
Good, how are you doing?
Right, good morning, counselor. What's your name? I mean, who's your client? I'm sorry, Mr. Stoller. Who's your client?
Last name is Obaid, O-B-A-D.
Obey.
Correct. It.
Can you ask the lady with the Samsung? She got the white t-shirt. I tried to ask her what her name is, and she doesn't seem to understand or is not listening.
La señora que está aquí en el dispositivo que es un teléfono Samsung A326U, ¿quién es usted?
Yo soy María Rivera.
Maria Rivera, Your Honor.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
I think she's talking to the wrong person. You asked her about the lady in the white t-shirt.
Yes.
Yes.
That's
The Samsung, Mr. Phillips?
yes, Samsung SM.
Yes, she said she was Maria Rivera.
No, but that's the lady, Evelyn, that's the lady in the black t-shirt. He wants the lady in the white t-shirt.
That is the woman who spoke, the lady in the white t-shirt.
Maria Rivera, I already have her name.
Okay.
She's the
And I
one in the
see-
white t-shirt. Try it again, Miss
I'm
Phillips.
gonna try it again. La señora que tiene el teléfono Samsung A326U. ¿Cuál es su nombre?
Hola, Edmunda Hernández.
Thank you, Mr. Phillips. Edmunda Hernández.
Good morning, good morning.
Buenos días.
Good morning, Judge. I'm your house counsel, one of them.
Good morning.
Buenos dias, yes.
I think I'm
Hernandez, say that, her first name again, please.
She's Edmunda Moradel Hernandez.
In the review, right?
Yes, Your Honor, that's
Yes.
correct.
All right, I think we can get going. We have all the parties here. Are we ready, Mr. Greenlaw?
Yes, Your Honor. Do we know where the echo is coming from?
I don't know where that echo is coming from, but I think we're gonna go find it soon.
I think it might be okay right now.
Hello? Hello?
State of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins presiding. While on Zoom, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, laying down, and or sleeping. I would ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies that you please take them off unless for religious purposes. Good morning, Judge. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
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 Buenos días a la Corte. Perkins. Mientras estemos en sesión, por favor, no estén ni fumando, ni comiendo, ni tomando algo. Por favor, no estén durmiendo ni recostado. Y si tienen una respuesta, quítensela, por favor.
And good morning to everyone. Buenos dias.
Good morning. Buenos días a todos.
That echo is coming from Mr. Phillips. So he knows. Okay, let's get going today. Let's start off. Are we ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, please state your name for the record, Ms. Villarreal.
Yes, Your Honor. Evelyn Villarreal, certified court interpreter.
Okay, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you will interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Let's go ahead and start off with the reviews.
Vamos a comenzar esta mañana con los casos que están aquí para revisar.
And let's call the city of Detroit, and I'm sure she needs an interpreter, versus Elizabeth Lopez Amanzola. Case number SP 14487-301 and SP 14489-611. State your name for the record, please.
Comenzamos con el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Lisbeth López Amizola. Este caso SP 144-87301 y SP 144-89611. Que todos digan sus nombres, por favor.
Mi nombre es Lisbeth López Amizola.
My name is Lisbeth López Amizola.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service for the misdemeanor, and in lieu of fines and costs, allowed to do 6 hours of community service for the civil infractions. I see you've completed those 18 hours of community service, and we thank you for that. And with that, I'm going to dismiss the misdemeanor, and I'm going to close out the civil infraction. If you don't have any questions, ma'am, you're free to leave, and thank you very much. Have a great day.
Buenos días. Le habíamos pedido a usted que cumpliera 12 horas para el delito menor y que cumpliera 6 horas de servicio comunitario por la infracción civil. Veo aquí que usted cumplió las 18 horas en total y le damos las gracias. Reconociendo esto, vamos a desestimar el caso que era el delito menor y vamos a cerrar el caso que era una infracción civil. Si no tiene usted alguna otra pregunta, se puede ir y le doy las gracias.
No, es todo. Muchas gracias.
No, that's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Have a great day.
Muchísimas gracias a usted. Que pase muy buen día.
Igualmente.
Same to you.
Okay, this is the City of Detroit versus Bruno Sanchez Lopez, case number SP 1449141. State your name for the record, Mr. Sanchez.
Se llama el caso
Hello.
de la ciudad de Detroit versus Bruno Sánchez López. Número de caso SP1441401. Diga su nombre, el señor Sánchez.
Hello.
Hello.
Sanchez Lopez, can you unmute yourself, please?
Hablo por Jorge Pérez. No me pude conectar.
Bruno López Sánchez.
Oh, I'm here speaking on behalf of Jorge Perez.
All right, hold on a second, sir. Bruno Sanchez Lopez, can you state your name for the record, please?
Andamos buscando al señor Sánchez López. Usted, por favor, diga su nombre.
Bruno López Sánchez.
Bruno López Sánchez.
Good morning, Mr. Lopez. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see you completed those 12 hours of community service. I'm sure the people over there at Clark Park appreciate that. Actually, you went over and above and did 13 hours, and we're grateful for that, sir. So for that, we're going to dismiss your case, all right?
Buenos días, señor. Yo le había pedido a usted que cumpliera 12 horas de servicio comunitario y usted trabajó en Clark Park y yo sé que todos los individuos están muy agradecidos, todos los residentes por el trabajo que usted ha brindado. De hecho, usted cumplió 13 horas más de lo que le habíamos pedido. Reconociendo todo esto, vamos a desestimar su caso.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you so much.
Muchas gracias, señor.
Thank you so much, sir.
All right, have a great day, sir.
Pase usted muy buen día, señor.
Gracias, muy amable igualmente.
Thank you. You're very kind. I wish you the same.
All right, let's call the City of Detroit. Versus Edmunda Mordella Hernandez, case number SP 1448951. State your name for the record, ma'am, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Edmunda Moradel Hernández. Número de caso SP144-89571. Por favor, diga su nombre si conste en el acta.
Edmunda Moradel Hernández.
Edmunda Moradel Hernández.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for review in the matter. And I see that you were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see you completed those 12 hours of community service, ma'am. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case, all right?
Buenos días, señora. Este es el día y esta es la hora que tenemos fijada para tener una revisión de su caso. Le habíamos pedido que usted cumpliera 12 horas de servicio comunitario y noto aquí que usted ya las cumplió. Le doy las gracias. y reconociendo esto, desestimo su caso.
Muchas gracias, señor.
Thank you so much, sir.
Have a great day, ma'am.
Usted muy buen día, señora.
Buen día. Gracias a todos.
Have a good day and thanks to everyone.
Is Angel Perez, Jorge Angel Perez here? Perez Angel here?
Jorge Pérez Ángel está aquí.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Peter Beck, I appeared on behalf of Mr. Perez a few months ago. I made contact with him a few days ago, and he indicated that he has made his, paid his fines, costs, and did the community service.
Okay, good morning. Let's call the case. This is the City of Detroit versus Jorge Orlando Perez Angel, case number SP 143-51781 and SP 143-51821. Appearance for the record, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Peter Beck appearing on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Perez.
Okay, today is the date and time set for review. Mr. Perez was not obligated to be here as long as he completed his community service. That is, I see that it's been completed. We need to thank Mr. Perez for his service over there at Park Park. And with that, for the civil infraction, I'm going to close that out, blocking traffic. And for the misdemeanor, I'm going to dismiss that. All right.
Thank you very much, Your Honor, on behalf of the defendant.
All right. Thank you very much, counsel, for appearing. If it's nothing further, you have a very good day.
Well, I'm not done yet. I have one more case, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay. Who is your client again now?
My client is Mr. Marco Garcia.
Marco Garcia. Let's see. Let me get some of these other reviews out of the way. And
Oh, okay, fine. Thank you, Your Honor.
Marco Garcia, as soon as so I know that Velasquez Borjas is on Noah.
Para Jorge.
Noah Velázquez Borja.
Yeah. That's
All
me.
right.
May I inquire if he needs an interpreter, Your Honor?
Certainly.
Señor Velázquez Borjas, ¿usted
Mande.
necesita intérprete usted?
No.
No, he does not, Your Honor.
Señora intérprete.
Madam Interpreter.
Sí.
Disculpe, soy Jorge, pero no escuché que desestimaran mi caso.
Excuse me, my name is Jorge. I did not hear if my case had been dismissed.
Hold on.
Espere tantito, por favor.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you.
City of Detroit versus Noah Velasquez Borjas, case numbers SP 143-20381, SP 143-20401, SP 143-20481. State your name for the record, Mr. Velasquez.
Oh, Noé Borges Velázquez.
Okay, today is the date and time set for review in the matter. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service for the misdemeanor and 6 hours of community service for the civil infraction. You were allowed to do that in lieu of fines and costs. So I see you've completed that. Clark Park is getting all the work. It should be phenomenally looking park. So for that, I'm gonna dismiss your case and thank you for your service, all right?
Yeah.
All right, there's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
All right. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Is Justin Ryan Williams here? Patricia Smith here? Manuel Arturo de Leon Santizo?
Manuel Arturo de León Santizo está presente.
Joseph John Ramirez. What is the gentleman's name that was on the phone, I believe?
Jorge, he said Jorge.
Oh.
The gentleman who was inquiring if his case was dismissed, Your Honor?
Yes.
He said Jorge.
Jorge there?
¿Está presente Jorge?
Okay. Mr. Beck.
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you give me that client's name one more time?
It's Mr. Garcia, Your Honor. Garcia, Marco Garcia.
Is he here? He's with you?
Yes, he is. He's sitting right here. Can you see him?
Yeah, I trust you. Jose Marco Garcia.
José Marco García, ¿está usted aquí?
Yes.
Yes.
I don't.
City of Detroit versus Jose Marco Garcia, case number SB 1454369. Do you need an interpreter, sir?
Señor, ¿necesita usted un intérprete?
No.
State your name. Good morning. Quick appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Peter Beck, bar number P10598, appearing on behalf of Mr. Garcia. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Garcia, can you state your name for the record, please?
Tu apellido.
Garcia.
Todo apellido.
No, Garcia Arguin.
Say that again?
Garcia Arguin.
Did he say Marco Garcia?
Marco Garcia Arguin.
Ariane?
Arguin, yeah.
Spell that for the record, please.
Arguen.
Okay. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the matter. Mr. Beck.
Your Honor, we'll waive the full meeting and ask standing due.
All right, we're getting some audio issues from your device.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
We're getting some audio issues. You were breaking up. I don't think Madam Interpreter, Madam court reporter got that.
Yes, Your Honor.
As for arraignment, Counselor. Okay, we're not hearing you at all.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. We're entering a plea of standing mute, Your Honor, to the charges.
Okay, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. At this time, does your client have a valid driver's license, Counselor?
No, he doesn't, Your Honor.
All right, he can take allowing 12 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, and we'll dismiss the case, or he can set the matter for trial.
All right. In other words, 12 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Justice Center.
Correct.
And he'll take that offer, Your Honor.
Can you go over his advice or rights with him, Counselor?
I have gone over the advice of rights with him. If the court would wish to proceed with that, I have no objections. But he understands that he does have a right to a hearing, a trial, and he wishes to avail himself of the offer that the court has made for community service.
Very well. Can you raise your right hand? Is that what you want to do, Mr. Garcia?
Yes, sir.
Can you, all right, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah, for sure.
All right, you can put your hand down, please. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes. Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yeah.
Mr. Beck went over some of your other advice or rights, did he not?
Yes. Yeah.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know you'll be giving up those rights once you take this plea?
Yeah.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Okay, let me draw your attention back to April 29th, 2023 at around 11:19 p.m. in the city of Detroit, the area of Verner Highway and Clark Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yeah.
And you were you operating a motor vehicle, sir?
Yes.
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
No.
You didn't? Well, you were operating a motor vehicle. Did you have a valid driver's license?
No.
Very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Order him to do 12 community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. I need a good phone number from you, sir.
Is that area code 313, Your Honor? 879-2155?
Got it.
Very well.
We need his number. We need your number, Mr. Garcia. So
313-970-6122.
970-6172.
No, 22.
6122.
Yes.
All right. Review. July the 12th, 2023. 8:25, have the hours done, we'll dismiss the case. If there's nothing further after that, best of luck to you.
Very well. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
You have a better day, Mr. Beck, and your client have a great day as well.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
All right. This is the city of Detroit. Miss, she hasn't connected. This is the City of Detroit versus Ryan Joseph Griffin, case number SP 1212510, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Is that Ryan Joseph Griffin or Ryan LaRon Griffin?
Good morning.
It's the same. Good morning. Where are you, Mr. Griffin?
Sir, here.
Pardon me?
Here I am.
What's your middle name? State your name for the record, sir, please.
Ryan Griffin.
Ryan LaRon Griffin. I'm getting Ryan Joseph Griffin with the same case numbers. Okay, so let's do it like this. All right. Today is, can somebody put their appearance on the record, please?
Aaron Ocean, about for Mr. Ryan Griffin.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Griffin, do you have valid registration and plates? Valid registration?
No, not at the given moment.
Okay. Did you get you were here before?
Right.
Well, what's the deal?
I had it. I guess I had everything for 2022, and it's under my mother's name, and she didn't get a chance to renew it. So I just, I don't know how to go about it because it's not in my name.
So why don't you go pay your mother's insurance and registration and get her on the road legally? You're driving her car.
I'm not driving. It's on storage.
All right. I don't know what to do either. I mean, I'll give you an opportunity. You could plead. You can either plead to the improper plates, $240 fine, or 12 hours of community service. You're not in Southwest Detroit, though, are you?
No.
Or set it for trial. Here, what we'll do is we'll set it for trial, bring you back. That's McCree. We'll set it for trial. And if you have it by that time, I'm sure you'll dismiss the case.
Okay.
Trial date, July the 5th.
July 5th.
Wait a minute. No. Let's trial date, July the 24th. Do you have a vehicle, sir?
Yes.
Do you have registration for that vehicle?
Yes.
Let's see what you have.
Okay. I have to go get it, but.
But what?
No, I just have to go get it. You just move on to the next person.
I'll pass and then we'll wait.
Okay.
All right. Javier.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes. What is your last name, sir?
Ramirez?
Ramirez?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Officer Harris, I got your message, so, all right. Let's see here.
Aaron Ocean, about for Javier Ramirez.
Let me put it on the record. City of Detroit versus Javier Ramirez, case number SP 1456267, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1456291. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ocean, about for Javier Ramirez. Mr. Ramirez, state your name.
Javier Ramirez?
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the matter. Go ahead, Mr. Bowdre.
We wait for him to read and stand mute.
Give your client a $0 bond. Do you have valid registration and insurance for this vehicle, sir?
Yeah, I got insurance. I ended up getting some insurance.
I can't hear you that well.
Yeah, I got insurance now.
All right, let's see what you have, sir.
Did I just tell you through the phone or?
We
Can
can
I?
see it. Let's see what you're, let's see if we can see it. You can send it to me. Okay. 12-7. Go up higher. Go back a little bit.
Okay.
All right. Is that? All right. I'm satisfied with that. What about registration? You have registration?
Yes, I have it in my car. I just gotta make a quick run for it.
All right. Let's get 6 hours of community service for this speeding ticket, amended to blocking traffic. That's in lieu of fines and costs. We'll amend it to blocking traffic, and there won't be any points. You want to do that, sir?
If I ended up paying it, I will get a point, or
you won't get a point. No, you won't get any points. You just do the 6 hours of community service, and we'll clear all up. We'll clear all this up.
Okay.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on behalf of your client, counselor.
Yes.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes.
I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic in lieu of fines and costs. I'm going to allow them to do 6 hours of community service. And I'll dismiss the other 3 matters. I need a good phone number from you, sir.
313-205-8750.
8750.
Yes, sir.
All right, write the number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, please.
1 second. I'm ready.
All right, 313-879-2155.
What was the last 4?
879-2155.
All right.
All right. Call Mr. Phillips this afternoon, set those hours up. You have them complete before July the 12th. All right, that's the next court date, July the 12th, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right, at 8:25.
Well, July 12th, I will have another court date, or
If you complete the community service, you don't have to worry about coming back. But if you don't, I need to see you. All right.
oh, okay.
All right. It's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. You too, sir.
The call cannot be complete.
You're free to leave.
Yeah, I'm leaving now. Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Edward Lee Sean III, case number SP 1455505, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 145556061. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Oldby, behalf of Mr. Lee.
Mr. Watson, state your name for the record, please.
Edward Watson III.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment, Counselor.
We wait for Marita's.
Willing or not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. You have valid registration.
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, let's just say this. Are you in Southwest Detroit over there, Mr. Watson?
Yes, sir.
You want to do 6 hours of community service to clear this up?
Yes, sir.
6 hour blocking traffic will amend that failure to stop. That's a point ticket. We'll amend that to a blocking traffic. in lieu of fines and costs, 6 hours of community service. And we'll close it out. Stipulation of probable cause will dismiss the other matters.
We stipulate the probable cause.
I find him responsible for the amended count, blocking traffic. I need a good phone number for you, sir.
313-915. What's the last four of my phone number? 1204.
You need to take the number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
What's the phone number, sir?
313-879-2155. I'll give you until, give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon to set those hours up. July 12th, if you're on the list, you don't have to appear. If you're not, I need to see you. All right, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you. Have a very good day.
You too, sir.
Thank you. This is the City of Detroit versus Kiana Sparkle Riley. Case numbers SP 145-3563, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 145-36021, 19-4464-551. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ocher and Bob.
Yeah,
Ms.
no.
All right, Ms. Riley, state your name for the record, please.
Yeah, no.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial on the matter. Ma'am, do you have a valid driver's license?
Nope, I went to take it and I failed the test and I couldn't get back in for next Tuesday. I failed one of the tests, the written test.
You failed the test and you couldn't what?
They scheduled me to come back next Tuesday. Because I went at 5 o'clock and they closed at 7 last Wednesday.
I'm gonna give you 2 weeks. I'm gonna have you back in 2 weeks, all right? You gotta study for that test.
I'm studying. I got the book now.
All right. If there's nothing further, come back on the 28th of June, okay? 28th of June at 8:30. Have a very good day. Good luck on that test, all right?
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Have a good day.
You too.
On the phone number 313-918-5691, 313-918-5691.
La persona con el teléfono 313-918-5691. ¿Quién es?
No one on, I don't see that number. I don't see that number up here anymore. Oh, and maybe Alejandro, it is Alejandro Vargas. Can you unmute yourself, please?
Alejandro Vargas, prenda su micrófono, por favor.
Is it Alejandro Rodriguez Estrada?
No, it's not Alejandro Rodriguez Estrada. You heard me say Alejandro Vargas.
No, sorry about that. I didn't mean to. I put Alejandro Rodriguez Estrada.
I know what you put. I call Alejandro Vargas.
Oh, so not me, sir?
No.
Sorry.
Not yet.
Sorry.
Press *6 on your phone. Unmute yourself, Mr. Vargas.
Señor Vargas, por favor, en su teléfono, toque el asterisco y el 6 para que se pueda oír.
Alejandro Becerra Vargas.
Alejandro Becerra Vargas.
Sí.
Yes.
Aaron Ocher and Bob for Mr. Garcia Vargas.
Y soy Aaron Ogletree representando. No he llamado el caso todavía.
All right, it's the City of Detroit versus Alejandro Garcia Becerra Vargas, case number SP 145-735-7, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 145-735-91. Appearance for the clerk, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Alejandro Becerra Vargas. Números de caso SP14573557, cargos 1 y 2, y SP14573591. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Chalaco Rosario. Alejandro Becerra Vargas.
Alejandro Becerra Vargas.
Aaron Ocher, on behalf of Mr. Garcia Vargas.
Y soy Aaron Ogletree representando al señor Vargas.
No, nadie me está representando.
No one's representing me.
You don't want any representation, Mr. Vargas?
Así que usted no quiere que un abogado lo esté representando, señor Vargas.
Pues yo estoy solo llamando.
Well, I'm here by myself, calling in.
Yeah, well, we have a lawyer here for you, two very good lawyers here for you that are willing to help you out.
Okay, está bien.
Pero aquí tenemos dos abogados muy buenos que están aquí para poder ayudarlo.
Okay, no entendía. Okay, sí está bien.
Okay, I didn't understand. It's okay.
All right, as for purposes of arraignment, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond, and his offer is going to be pleading to the allowing 12 hours of community service. We'll dismiss upon completion, and we'll dismiss the other matters today if he takes the deal. Make sure he knows that he has an absolute right to a trial.
Así que para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable. Le vamos a dar a usted una fianza de $0. Y esta es la oferta que tengo para usted. Si se declara culpable de haberle permitido a una persona sin licencia a conducir, le pedimos 12 horas de servicio comunitario y el caso queda desestimado cuando usted cumpla las 12 horas. Los otros casos contra usted quedan desestimados hoy mismo. Y quiero que usted sepa que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de tener un juicio.
Okay, sí está bien. Me declaro culpable.
Okay, that's fine. I'm going to plead guilty.
Speak to the lawyer first. Go over his advice or rights, Mr. Ogletree, please.
Primero vamos a pasar a hablar con el abogado defensor suyo. Reúnase cuando le dé la invitación, toque join.
Reyes Hernandez. Dinas Reyes Hernandez, do you need an interpreter? Necesito interpreter?
Oh, man.
Jarrell Lawrence.
Morning, sir. How you doing?
Very well. How about yourself?
Doing great. Doing great.
That's good. All right. City of Detroit versus Jarrell Lawrence. What's your date of birth, sir?
April 25th, 1998.
Very well. Case numbers. This is Jarrell Javash Lawrence.
It's supposed to be Javon, but they spelled it wrong on my birth certificate.
Oh, I'm sorry. Case numbers 18-414-5891, SP 138-693, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Jarrell Lawrence.
All right. Mr. Lawrence, can you state your name for the record, please?
Jarrell Lawrence.
All right. Let's see what this one ticket is. gonna close out 18-414-5891. Paid that. Yeah, valid license, registration, and insurance, sir?
No, I don't. Remember, we were talking last time about, you know, because I'm out of the country and stuff, and you were saying for the
Oh,
community.
yes. His offer is going to be pleading to the allowing Ms. Baird 12 hours of community service, and will dismiss upon completion, and will dismiss the other matters today. He has an absolute right to a trial. Go speak with him in a breakout room and explain to him and let us tell us what he wants to do. All right, speak to Mrs. Baird in a breakout room, please, and after that, read him his advice of rights if he wants to take the deal, please.
Thank you.
That gets me to Jadala, Mr. Jadala on Obey. Let's see what Obey has going on. We have some officers in the breakout room. I see he's set for a formal hearing. Let's put you in a breakout room with Mr. Officer Harris. He was here on time. I'll let you speak with him since it's a civil infraction. The city attorney's not here.
Thank you, Judge.
Jimmy Dixon.
Yes, I'm right here. Jimmy Dizon.
Morning to you, sir. You all right?
Good morning.
Did he come back out?
Yes, I did.
Oh, there he is. We're ready. He wants to take that plea.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lawrence. Mr. Lawrence, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room, and counsel tells me you want to take the plea, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's start out with a good phone number from you, please, sir.
313-858-0801.
Let's get you the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. Whenever you're ready.
I'm ready.
That'd be 313-858. Oh, strike that. 313-879-2155. He was very surprised. I know why. 313-879-2155.
Yes. I had took it down when I was listening on your meeting the other day. So I have.
All right, very cool. Mr. Phillips is the contact guy over there. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Do you understand you're not a United States citizen and convicted for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and $400 or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Ms. Baird went over some of your other advice or rights, did she not, in the breakout room?
Yes, she did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, when you take this deal, you'll be giving up those rights.
Yes.
Anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to September the 5th, 2022 at around 1:20 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Outer Drive in, what is that? Acacia. Acacia. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle, sir?
Yes, I was.
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, he did.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
All right. Why is that?
Yeah, because I don't have one.
Very well. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. That's a 0-point offense. Will not abstract to the Secretary of State. It is a misdemeanor, but I told Mr. Lawrence that I would dismiss that misdemeanor upon payment. Upon completion of 12 hours of community service. Stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matters now.
So stipulated.
All right, I'm gonna 12 hours community service, get in contact with Mr. Phillips, have it done before July the 12th, 2023, and that be your next court date. If you're on the list, we'll dismiss the case. All right.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
Have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jimmy Flores Dixon, case number SP 145-90471. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Jimmy Dizon.
Dizon. Ms. Barrett.
Melita Barrett on behalf of Mr. Dizon. Hold on a second.
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the matter. Go ahead, Ms. Barrett.
We wait for him, wait for him a reading of the information, stand mute.
Enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. This just has doesn't have any real comment. It doesn't have any comment, just a disorderly conduct. So it doesn't say what was disorderly on that day, but he can plead as charged, will dismiss upon completion of 12 hours of community service, or he has an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Dizon and explain that to him, and let us know what he wants to do when you come out. And if he wants to read him his advice rights, if he wants to take the deal.
Okay.
Join the room, please. Okay, Mr. Dadala, did you get anywhere with that conversation?
Yes, Your Honor, the officer has no objections to reducing it to a blockading, impeding traffic. Wanted me to communicate that to the court.
Where is Mr. Harris? Are you there, Mr. Harris?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
All right, this is the city of Detroit. Well, what is this? A misdemeanor though, right?
No, it's gonna be a civil infraction.
That should be a civil infraction, Your Honor, and we'd waive my client's appearance if the court allows.
The equipment violation, okay. Equipment violation. Well, if you're gonna block in traffic, city of Detroit versus Waleed Nassar Ahmed Obey, case number SP 145-95031. Appearance for the record, please.
Respectfully, Your Honor, Senator Jadala, P62186, appearing on behalf of Mr. Obaid with the authority to enter into this plea on his behalf, Your Honor.
Very well. I'm going to waive your client's presence. You did indicate you had the authority. It was a civil infraction. Go ahead, Mr. Officer Harris. Good morning to you.
Hi, good morning. Hi, I'm Officer Fitzgerald Harris, badge 1442, Detroit Police Department.
Very well. I guess you guys have resolved this with blocking traffic. I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. $175 it should be. It should be 6 hours of community service, but I'm gonna allow him to pay it. Since he does not live in Southwest Detroit area. When can he pay that, Mr. Tadala?
We're gonna have 2 weeks, Your Honor.
6/28/2023. If there's nothing further, you have a very good day, and of course, Officer Harris, you have a very good day as well. Be safe out there.
And that was $175, correct, Judge?
175.
May you and your staff have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Right.
Disculpe, señor.
Let's get Mr. Vargas out of the room. I gotta remove him. He's on the phone.
Yes, Your Honor, he wishes to accept the offer.
All right. Bring this bill back.
Disculpe, señor, una pregunta.
Hold on a second, sir. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Vargas. Mr. Vargas, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Así que vamos a volver al caso del señor Vargas. Señor Vargas, le dio usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué quiere hacer su cliente?
Is that what you want to do? You want to take the deal, Mr. Vargas?
Señor Vargas, ¿es eso lo que usted quiere hacer? ¿Usted quiere aceptar este acuerdo de culpabilidad, esta oferta?
Sí.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you raise your right hand, please, sir?
¿Puede levantar la mano derecha, por favor, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o clara solemnemente que usted va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You put your hand down, sir.
¿Ya puede bajar la mano, señor?
Do you understand that if you're not a United States citizen, conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Y comprende usted, señor, que si usted no es ciudadano de los Estados Unidos, que una condena de un delito menor le puede causar consecuencias con inmigración. ¿Sabía usted eso?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that you have that this is the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Y sabe usted que la pena máxima para este delito es 93 días en la cárcel y o $500 en multas más costos.
Sí.
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial.
Y sabe usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de tener un juicio.
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Ogletree in the breakout room went over some of your other advice or rights, did he not?
Y cuando estaban en la sala de consulta, su abogado, el señor, o sus derechos, ¿no es cierto?
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Yeah.
Any questions about those rights?
¿Y tiene usted alguna pregunta con respecto a esos derechos?
No.
No.
Understand, you take this deal, you're going to be giving up those rights?
¿Y comprende usted que si usted acepta este acuerdo, usted renuncia a esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido usted algo diferente de lo que ya hemos dicho en el acta?
No.
No.
Let me draw your attention back to May the 2nd, 2023 at around 6:44 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Dixon Waterman Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department, sir?
Así que permíteme entonces llamarle la atención a la fecha del 2 de mayo del 2023, aproximadamente a las 6:44 en la noche, en la ciudad de Detroit. En el área de las calles de Dixie Warren, tuvo usted la oportunidad de encontrarse con un policía del Departamento de Policía de la ciudad de Detroit.
Yeah, sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on that day?
¿Y ese día iba usted manejando un vehículo motorizado?
Sí.
Yes.
On that date, did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y ese día el policía le pidió a usted que le enseñara una licencia vigente de conducir.
Sí.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
Y usted no lo pudo hacer, ¿no es cierto?
Okay. Sí, no pude.
Yes, I couldn't do that.
Why is that?
¿Y por qué es eso?
No la tengo.
Because I don't have one.
Very well, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Stipulation probable cause, I'll dismiss the other two matters.
We stipulate probable cause.
Entonces, encuentro que usted es culpable del cargo modificado de haberle permitido a una persona sin licencia a conducir. Y abogado, si usted me dice que hay causas razonables, desestimo los otros cargos. Sí, hay causas razonables, se desestiman.
All right, with that, I'm going to, is this your phone number? Trace 9185691.
313-918-5691. ¿Ese es su número de teléfono, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, you need to take the number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, sir.
Señora, usted necesita apuntar el número del Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit.
Okay.
And that number is Trace 879-2155.
Y ese número es el 313-879-2155, 313-879-2155.
Okay.
I'm going to give Mrs. Puenteo a call there this afternoon, set up those hours. I'm going to give you till July the 12th to finish those hours. If those hours are complete, we'll dismiss the case, okay?
Así que quiero que esta misma tarde usted llame ese número de teléfono y pida hablar con la señorita Puentello. Y ella le dirá cómo es que hacen los arreglos del horario para las horas que usted va a trabajar. Le permite usted hasta el 12 de julio para que complete las horas.
Okay.
Okay.
Disculpe, ¿cómo se llama la muchacha?
And what is the girl's name again?
Miss Puenteo.
Puentello. La señorita Puentello.
Puentello. Okay.
Yes, okay.
All right, if you don't have any further questions, sir, you have a very good day. You're free to leave. Good luck to you.
Y usted, si usted no tiene alguna otra pregunta, señor, le deseo muy buen día. Ya se puede ir y buena suerte.
Okay, gracias. Thank you, gracias,
Okay.
muchas gracias.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
All right.
Bye.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Ryan LaRon Griffin. Mr. Griffin, you there?
Yes, sir.
You got the documentation, sir?
Yes, sir.
Let's see what you have, please. 9/27/2022. Slide it over a little bit, please. Anita Sheila Griffin, who is that?
That's my mother.
Do you have a car, sir?
Yeah, I do. This is the thing. So the Mercedes.
No. This is not the thing. I asked you for the information for this car you had. That's on the ticket. You said that that car is your mother's car, That car is in storage.
Yes.
I asked you, do you own a car yourself? You indicated yes. You
Yes.
indicated I gave you an opportunity to go out there and get some paperwork to show you. And now you're showing me a car that's owned by your mother again.
Yes, because they're both supposed to be given to me and registered my name, but we never got a chance to get to doing that.
So are you saying that's your car?
Yes. Because she just purchased a new car. She purchased a 2014 Lexus, and she ended up giving me the 2004 Lexus. Well, she didn't give it to me, but I bought it from her.
She gave it to you.
No, I mean, I paid money.
Yeah, I bet. But why haven't you gotten title change over?
Because she be busy and I be busy. We just haven't switched it over.
I'm gonna give you a one-time dismissal, sir. I just don't, you're seem to be a little bit shifty sometimes.
I understand, but no, it's all genuine.
Shiftiness?
No.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss the case for providing.
Thank you, sir.
And I'm gonna waive the warrant for you. All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you, sir. Have a good one.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Jimmy Dizon. Mr. Dizon, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what does your client want to do? Mr. Dizon?
Oh, me, I want to plead not guilty.
Ms. Barrett, are you there?
Yeah,
Yes,
I'm
I'm
right
here. Hold on one second. Judge, here's the issue. When we were talking in the breakout room, he's saying he doesn't remember any disorderly conduct, so he's going to request a bench trial.
Okay, that's what you want to do, Mr. Dizon?
Yes.
All right, come back July the 5th, 2023 at 9 a.m., all right?
Yes.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
July the 5th. What was that?
2023 at 9 a.m.
Well, will it be on the same like court date,
Same
like the
thing,
code?
same thing, same on a Wednesday. Just come on back in and we'll get you, we'll have the officer here. If the officer doesn't show up, we'll dismiss the case, but we'll get some resolution on that day, all right?
Okay.
All right.
July 5th.
July the 5th, 9 a.m.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. This is the City of Detroit versus Dennis Antonio Reyes Hernandez, case number SP 1455122, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Dennis Reyes. Números de caso SP 14551. Dos cargos 1, 2 y 3. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Aaron Ocean on behalf of Reyes Hernandez.
Soy Aaron Oguchi representando al señor Hernández.
Mr. Reyes Hernandez, can you unmute yourself and state your name for the record, please?
Señor Reyes Hernández, abra su micrófono, prenda el micrófono y diga su nombre para que conste en el acta, por favor.
Shalaco Rosario.
Shalaco Rosario.
All right. No. Let's call him. Let's pass that matter. Reyes Hernandez is not responding.
Volvemos más después al caso de Reyes Hernández.
This is the City of Detroit versus Shalaco Rosario Delgado. Case number SP 1458750, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Enséñame el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Chalaco Rosarios Delgado, número de caso SP145875, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Unmute yourself,
Okay.
sir, and state your name for the record, please.
Prenda su micrófono, señor, y diga su nombre para que conste en el acta, por favor.
Chalaco Rosario.
Chalaco Rosario.
Okay, Melita Baird on behalf of Mr. Rosario.
Well,
Yeah,
Ve-
we're
representando-
requesting a mistrial in this matter.
Wait a minute, I'm confused here. Did you already talk to him?
No, it's just interference.
Okay, okay.
Go ahead.
Adelante, licenciada.
Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Barrett.
Que todos,
Melita Baird on behalf of Mr. Rosario.
que todos digan sus nombres. Soy Malita Barrett, representando al señor Rosario.
As for purposes of arraignment,
¿Qué dice usted para el propósito de la lectura de cargos?
We're going to waive formal reading of the information, stand mute.
Nosotros denunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos y vamos a guardar silencio.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. And
Vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente y le vamos a dar una fianza de $0.
do you have a cycle endorsement and insurance on this motorcycle, sir? Or
Yeah.
Señor, ¿tiene usted aquí la aprobación para una motocicleta y tiene seguro para ese vehículo?
Sí.
Yes.
let's see what you have, the insurance.
Permite el
Right
seguro.
there.
Push it closer,
Más
straight,
cerca,
just straight closer.
derechito y más cerca.
I'm not, it's not coming in. All right. If you got, but still, yeah, bring it closer like that. All
Así.
right. Now, pull it back a little bit,
Para atrás,
a little bit more.
poco más.
I'm not able to see it.
No lo puedo ver.
I think I see 2024 on there. Run his driver's license.
Yeah.
Me parece que veo 2024. Vamos a revisar su expediente de conducción.
And it's a registration. 2024.
Is that for the motorcycle?
Yes.
All right, let me see if this is cycle endorsement is good. It should pull up on his license, I believe.
Yeah, I know. I have the test. I take the test. I don't have the license yet. I need to do the test and Harley Davidson. I gotta make an appointment.
Oh, he doesn't have it on there.
This is something else.
Yeah, I have license, but you know how.
You don't have a cycle endorsement though.
No, I'm gonna start taking it out now, but it's a process, huge process.
Do you want to come back, sir?
It's fine. I want it done. I'm working, you know.
Well, do you want to do the 12 hours of community service, or do you want to come back with the cycle endorsement? In the 12 hours, you can get the cycle endorsement.
I'll do it at 12 hours because it.
All right. We'll offer him an improper plate That's a 0-point offense. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State. And we'll let him speak to Ms. Barrett and read him his advice or rights, please. Join the room. You can join it too, Ms. Villarreal, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Yes.
All right, what's gonna go on with, who's on the iPhone? The iPhone I let in the room. Please unmute yourself and turn your camera on.
Crystal Goins. Is my
What's your
camera on?
name?
Crystal Goins. I'm trying to put my camera on now.
Crystal Lawrence?
Goins. Goins.
All right. All right, let's move, what's going on with Langley? Ms. Robinson has not connected her audio yet. All right.
I'm
Let's
here,
go
Your
on.
Honor. Langley is here. I'm at work. I just got myself muted.
I understand that, but I'm waiting on your counsel to turn our audio on. All right, let's go on to Roosevelt Lee. Michael Roosevelt Lee. Are you there, sir? Is he there? He's gone.
Your Honor, I don't see a Michael Lee in the Zoom meeting room.
Yeah, okay. He was here earlier. Now, let's go to Estrada. He's been waiting patiently.
Hello, you talking to me, sir?
Now I'm talking to you, Mr. Alejandro Estrada.
Hello, how you doing?
Very well. How about yourself?
I'm good.
City of Detroit versus Alejandro Rodriguez Estrada, case number SB 1440141. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Oatry on behalf of Mr. Rodriguez Estrada.
Mr. Rodriguez Estrada, can you state your name for the record, please?
Alejandro Rodriguez Estrada.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Do you have a valid license, sir?
Yes.
Run his driver's license, please. Oh, but this is an allowing.
Yeah, allowing.
Let me see that. Let me see that.
You still on, right?
Not necessarily. It's an allowing. So why did we adjourn this the last time? Or did you come on a date that you weren't on, that wasn't community court? You know, the typical offer for this is 12 hours of community service and will dismiss upon completion. He has an absolute right to a trial, Mr. Ogletree, so you can speak to him and see what which direction he wants to go into this, all right? Join the room, Mr. Estrada and Mr. Ogletree.
I said I would do the 12 hours yesterday of community service.
All right, go ahead and speak with the lawyer. He's going to read you your advice and rights if you want to take the deal.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Rosario. Mr. Rosario, I've given you an opportunity, and this is Rosario Delgado. I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Volvemos con
Judge, I'm sorry.
Señor Rosario, le di la oportunidad que hablara con su abogada en un cuartito privado de consulta. Ahora le pregunto a la abogada, ¿qué quiere hacer su cliente?
Judge, what he wants to do is take that 12-hour community service.
Su señoría, lo que él quiere hacer es aceptar esa oferta de hacer 12 horas de servicio comunitario.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Delgado?
Y es cierto que eso es lo que usted quiere hacer, señor Delgado.
First? Yes, yeah, we connected.
Sí, sí.
Yes.
All right. Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede levantar la mano derecha, por favor?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, sir, do you understand that you're not a United States citizen, the conviction for misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Y señor, ¿comprende usted que si usted no es ciudadano de los Estados Unidos, una condena de un delito menor le puede causar consecuencias con inmigración?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Y sabe, ¿comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de tener un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Y comprende usted que la pena máxima en estos cargos es 93 días en la cárcel y un máximo de $500 y o un máximo de $500.
Sí.
Yes.
Mrs. Barrett in the breakout room went over your other advice and rights, did she not?
Y la señora Barrett, cuando estaba hablando con usted en la sala de consulta, le explicó a usted cuáles son sus otros derechos constitucionales, ¿no es cierto?
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Y tiene usted alguna pregunta con respecto a esos derechos?
No.
No.
You understand by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y comprende usted que al aceptar esta oferta, usted renuncia a esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Right? Anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo diferente de lo que ya hemos hablado que consta en el acta?
No.
No.
All right, let me draw your attention, sir, back to May the 6th, 2023 at around 5:47 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Junction and Burner Highway, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Entonces, permíteme llamarle la atención a la fecha del 6 de mayo del 2023, a la hora aproximadamente de las 5:47 de la noche en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles de Junction y Burner. ¿Tuvo usted la oportunidad de encontrarse con un policía del departamento de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
On that day, sir, were you operating a motor vehicle or a motorcycle?
Y ese día, esa fecha, estaba usted manejando un vehículo motorizado, es decir, una motocicleta.
Sí.
Yes.
Did you have an occasion on that? I mean, did that officer ask you to produce valid insurance for that motorcycle?
Y ese policía le pidió a usted que le enseñara un comprobante de seguro de vehículo para esa motocicleta.
Sí.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
Y usted no lo pudo hacer, ¿verdad?
No tenía ningún documento, no.
No, I didn't have any document, no.
All right, I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver, an improper plate. Allow him to do, order him to do 12 hours of community service. I'll dismiss upon completion.
Bien, entonces encuentro que su cliente es culpable del cargo modificado de tener las placas incorrectas. Le voy a ordenar que cumpla 12 horas de servicio comunitario y el cargo quedaría desestimado una vez que él haya cumplido las 12 horas.
With the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matter now.
Y si usted dice, estipula que hay causa razonable, los otros asuntos los desestimo ahora mismo.
So stipulated.
Sí, los estoy estipulando.
All right, sir. I need a good phone number from you, please.
Bien, señor, necesito que me dé un buen número de teléfono para usted, por favor.
Es 313-234-3225.
3225.
3225.
313-234-3225.
All right, you need to take the number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Yeah.
Y ahora necesito que usted apunte el número de teléfono que es para el Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit.
Okay.
Trace 879 2055. I'm going to give you till July the 12th to complete those hours. Get in contact with Ms. Quinteo this afternoon to set those hours up, please.
313-792-155. Le voy a dar a usted hasta el 12 de julio para que cumpla esas horas. Quiero que usted llame ese número de teléfono esta tarde y que pida hablar con la señorita Buentello.
¿Cómo? What?
Quiero que llame a la señorita Buentello a ese número de teléfono. Buentello.
All right. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Y si Thank you. Le deseo muy buen día. Thank you.
Igualmente.
Same to you.
Bye. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Manuel Arturo De Leon Santizo. Case number SP 1433475 and SP 143211041. State your name for the record, please.
Your Honor, does he need an interpreter? And if so, where is he on the docket? I'm having trouble. Oh, I found him. Thank you. Señor, ¿necesita usted intérprete? Señor Santizo. Manuel Arturo Santizo.
All right, for the, I don't know if they connected to the audio, probably not. For the allowing, I'm gonna dismiss the case, and for the blocking traffic, I'm gonna close it out. He completed 18 hours of community service.
No sé si me pueda oír, pero el caso queda desestimado. Sé que ha cumplido 18 horas de servicio comunitario.
All right, did Reyes Hernandez ever unmute himself?
Y el señor Reyes Hernández, ¿sabe cómo prender su micrófono? Señor Reyes Hernández.
Reyes Hernández Dennis.
Yes, Reyes Hernández Dennis.
Él va a ocupar intérprete.
And he is going to need an interpreter.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Let's call it again. This is the City of Detroit versus Dennis Antonio Reyes Hernandez, case number SP 1455122, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Volvemos y llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Dennis Reyes Hernández. Números de caso SP 1455122, 2 cargos 1, 2 y 3. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Daniel Hernández.
Dennis Hernandez.
Melita Baird on behalf of Dennis Hernandez.
Y soy Melita representando al señor Hernández.
Judge, we're going to waive formal reading of the information. Stand mute.
Su señoría, nosotros vamos a renunciar que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio.
All right, and enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. And his offer is going to be pleading to the allowing 12 hours of community service will dismiss upon completion and make sure he knows he has an absolute right to a trial.
Muy bien, así que vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente. Le voy a dar una fianza de $0. La oferta para él es que le reducimos el cargo a este nuevo cargo que le permitió a una persona sin licencia a conducir. Le pediríamos 12 horas de servicio comunitario y cuando las haya cumplido, el caso queda desestimado. Déjele saber, licenciada, que él tiene un derecho absoluto a tener un juicio.
All right, and if he wants to take the deal, read him his advice rights, get a good phone number from him and give him the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, okay?
Bien, y si
Judge,
quiere,
can you give me that number to the Southwest? Because I didn't write that down.
the interpreter has it, Your Honor.
Very well.
Oh, okay. All right.
Join the
Okay.
room, please.
Nos van a pasar una sala de consulta privada, señor.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. 856-3707, who is that? Jefferson Marcelino here. Jefferson Marcelino. Jasmine Smith. Patricia Danielle Smith. Justin Ryan Williams.
Oh,
Who's on the iPhone? The gentleman that's sitting in the chair with his hand on his head.
Keelan Lewis.
What's your name, sir?
Keelan Lewis.
Lloyd?
Lewis, Lewis.
Keelan Wayne Lewis?
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, Maria Riviera? Necesito interpreter. Señoria Maria Riviera? See what Miss Goins has going on. Spell your first name? Is that C-R-Y-S-T-A-L, Miss Goins?
It's CHRYSTAL.
C-H-R-Y-S-T-A-L.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, I couldn't
speak.
All right, hold on a second, Ms. Riviera. City of Detroit versus Crystal Denise Goins, case
Yes.
numbers SP 1297761, counts 1 and counts 2, and Z8089141. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ocher, of Miss Goins.
Okay, as for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
We wait for Marina to stay mute.
All right, I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on Miss Goins' behalf, and I'm gonna give her a $500 personal bond in this matter. This is a OWI along with 2 other misdemeanors. Ms. Goins, are you planning on hiring an attorney for this, or are you going to go with the court appointed?
I could run with the court appointed because we here right now.
We're gonna set another court. We're gonna set another court date for you, ma'am.
I have one on the 24th.
No, we're gonna set all new court dates for all the matters.
Okay, so I still go to the other one that I got as well?
No, you're gonna go to you got. I'm arraigning you on all of them today, and we're gonna set one court date so we'll deal with all of them at one time.
Yes, sir.
Now, are you gonna hire your own lawyer, or do you need a court appointed lawyer?
A court appointed attorney.
I need a good phone number from you, ma'am.
313-655-6286.
And we need to refer her to probation. I'm gonna have you testing 1 time per week. No drinking of any alcohol during the pendency of this case, all right?
Oh, that ain't a problem.
Okay. And I need you to take the number down to probation.
Okay. Let me get a pen and paper right now, sir.
All right.
I'm ready when you are.
313-965-3414.
3414?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's have you back for a pretrial on 6/28/2023 at 8:30. 2 things.
Yes, sir.
2 things. We're gonna wait on probation to call you. And if probation doesn't call you by the end of this week, I need to see you on Monday morning. Or you need to contact the court so we can, because we're gonna write a referral over there. They should get that referral, they should be contacting you. You're also gonna look out for the appointed counsel that we're gonna appoint to you. They should call you as well. So by next week, if you don't hear anything, you need to reach out to the court, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, and I need that, so I would like to have a test this week, but if things don't go right, I want to make sure I have a test next week. And if they don't call you, I don't want to hear in 2 weeks that they didn't call me, Judge. I want you to take action and get in touch. You know how to get in contact with the court. You can zoom in anytime, or you can call Ms. Mathis. We're gonna get that stuff over there, all right? So
yes, sir.
Make sure that we get that make sure that you answer calls that you don't recognize, because it's either going to be it's going to hopefully be the court appointed lawyer and the probation department. Okay, Ms. Goins?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any further questions, ma'am?
No, sir. So you said if I don't hear, today is Wednesday. So if I don't hear nothing about Friday, call on Monday, come up there Monday.
Call Friday or Monday.
Okay.
All right.
Sir.
If it's not,
yes, sir.
If it's nothing further, Ms. Goins, have a very good day. Good luck to you. All right.
Thank you. You have a blessed one.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Reyes Hernandez, Mr. Reyes Hernandez, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Volvemos a el señor Reyes Hernández. Señor Reyes Hernández, le di la oportunidad usted de hablar con su abogada defensora en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame usted, abogada, ¿qué quiere hacer su cliente?
Okay. He wants to get a pretrial date to come back so he can bring his papers.
Sí, su señoría, él quiere una fecha nueva para regresar y poder presentar los documentos.
He's going to bring in a valid driver's license, registration, and insurance.
Él va a poder traer una licencia de conducir, registración vigente y comprobante de seguro.
How long is it going to take to do that?
¿Cuánto tiempo a él para poder lograr esto?
How long does he need? 2 weeks or 30 days?
¿Cuánto tiempo necesita usted, señor, para poder traer estos documentos? ¿Necesita 30 días? ¿Necesita 2 semanas?
La licencia tiene que ser del dueño del carro y del seguro también, ¿verdad?
Well, the license and the insurance would be for the owner of the car. Is that correct?
No, the license and insurance, you need to have a license at the very least.
No,
okay.
Es usted quien tiene que tener la licencia de conducir.
Judge, on my paper, he's charged with no insurance misdemeanor, and he said he can bring in an insurance misdemeanor. I don't have any indication for his driver's license as a charge.
Su señoría, yo lo que tenía aquí anotado es que él estaba acusado de no tener seguro de vehículo. Eso es un delito menor. Yo no había visto nada que tenía que ver con licencia de conducir.
I have driver's license never acquired, unregistered, untitled, and no insurance.
Yo tengo tres cargos que nunca había obtenido una licencia de conducir, que no tenía registración y que no tenía seguro de vehículo.
Okay, well, the one that I have just has no insurance misdemeanor. I have him at the, just unless I don't have the updated paper. Hold on. Okay. Drivers, I see you, Judge. No driver's like, oh, there's a lot of noise in there for some reason. Driver license never acquired, unregistered, untitled vehicle. Judge, we may need to go back into the breakout room because I was focused on the insurance. He said he can bring that. I'm doing a lot of talking and not allowing her to interpret.
Bueno, yo creo que tenemos que regresar a la sala de consulta porque yo no tenía toda la información. Yo tan solo sabía de un cargo, no sabía de los otros cargos. Pienso que tenemos que regresar a hablar el cliente y yo en una sala de consulta.
Okay.
Okay.
We still allow him another court date so he can at least bring in some of his paperwork, Judge.
Pero no podemos por lo menos permitirle que regrese en otra ocasión para que traiga sus papeles con él, señoría.
Well, if he can't bring in a license, then I think that's an exercise in futility. I think that if he has a license, then we can work with it.
Bueno, si él no va a poder traer una licencia de conducente, entonces me parece que no vale la pena darle una fecha nueva. Tenemos que trabajar con lo que él tiene ahora.
No llega.
Why don't you go back in the breakout room, counselor, and talk to him?
Okay.
Le pido, licenciada, que usted regrese a la sala de consulta para hablar con él.
I don't have Maria over here, so I have to go downstairs.
Go back in the room, Mr. Reyes Hernandez, please. Savon Johnson's trial.
Oh, that's for trial, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, are we ready on Alejandro Estrada?
We try to go back to the
Yeah, the room, you're gonna have to tap
private
up.
conversation, or then no, I don't know what happened.
If you see a more down there or 4 dots,
I see the court right now.
you see 4 squares?
A ver si bien, ve 4 cuadritos.
Oh, there.
Okay.
Espérate, no, espérate. No, only see the translator. Only we see the translator. We can see the lawyer, the attorney.
Go. Go and put him, give this guy. Go back to the room. Let me see if I can change it. Did he go to the room? There we go.
Your Honor, interpreter just checked. He's not in the breakout room yet.
Yeah, I know. They're having trouble. Let me put you in the room first. See if that works.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Estrada.
Hola.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Alejandro Estrada. He's in there now, Ms. Villarreal.
Oh, thank you.
Mr. Estrada, I'll give you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Yeah, he wanted to know if the matter could be adjourned briefly. Says the person now has a driver's license and want to know if that would make any difference in terms of what the court will.
Let's set a trial date. For July the 5th, 2023, 9 a.m. Have that person come in with that license. You got it on the Motorola G. You got it. I'm gonna put you out. No driving in court.
Third door. What was the date again?
July the 5th, 2023 at 9 a.m. Bring that person in here to with that valid license.
July 5th.
July the 5th.
Same thing. Join the meeting room ID.
Yes, join meeting room ID.
Anything else there?
No, thank you.
8:30.
9 a.m.
Sorry,
Go ahead. What did you say, Mr. Ogletree?
No, I was just saying here about 8:30.
At 9 a.m. is fine. All right, let's go. Let's call the case Maria. This is the City of Detroit versus Maria Riviera. Case number SP 1446171, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ocean, for Miss Rivera. Miss Rivera, state your name.
Good morning. It's Maria Rivera.
Good morning, Ms. Rivera. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment. Go ahead, counselor.
We wait for Maria to step up.
All right, enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond for this false something insurance proof. Let's set a trial date. See what the officer has to say before Ms. Snyder is going to give an offer to Ms. Rivera. She wants to see the officer. All right, so I'm going to have you back on July the 5th as well, Ms. Rivera. Okay.
Sounds good.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, do you have a valid license?
No, but I already have a permit like the officer had told me, and I have my insurance, again,
All right.
because,
Bring that back in on the 5th, all right?
do you need me to bring a driver license as well?
I would love you to bring a driver's license.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you, you too. Bye.
Bye-bye. Jerry Afonte,
Yes.
good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning. Hold over.
You may not, you might not need to be driving.
Oh, I'm not. I'm parked. And I do have my driver's license.
You do?
I got it. I have my permit.
That's kind of hard to believe. What's your date of birth?
8382.
City of Detroit versus Jerry Afonte. Case number SP 1345309, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1453652, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1453654, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 969103, counts 1 and counts 2. U982888913, B100672116, B100673116. 14 104361. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Oche, I'm bound for Ms. Afonte.
State your name for the record, ma'am, please.
Jerry Infante.
We wait for Marina to stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Run Ms. Infante's license, please. Stranger things have happened, ma'am. But let me check this out. See if that license is good.
I have the paper.
Now you can see from the Secretary of State. I want to see now. Let's say this. With all these cases, I would suggest that we just set a trial date. Bring Ms. Infante back, and then we'll decipher through what the outcomes would be and give her an offer on that date. How about that, Ms. Infante?
That's fine.
All right, let's set a trial date for July the 5th. I want to see the license too. July the 5th, 2023 at 9 a.m. Give me one moment, ma'am. Let me look at this license and see what's going on, all right?
Okay. Oh, yeah. No.
The call, Jermaine Savion Johnson. Didn't get an answer.
All right, let's go ahead and the license is valid. Trial date, July the 5th, 2023, 9 a.m. All right, Ms. Infante?
Okay, thank you.
Any further questions, ma'am?
No, that's it. Your Honor.
Have a great day, okay?
Thanks, you too.
All right.
Bye.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Reyes Hernandez. Mr. Reyes Hernandez, giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Volvemos al caso del señor Reyes Hernández. Señor Reyes Hernández, ¿le dio usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada en una sala privada de consulta? Dígame, abogada, ¿qué quiere hacer su cliente?
Judge, he wants to take that 12-hour community service offer.
Su señoría, él quiere aceptar las 12 horas de servicio comunitario.
All right. That's what you want to do, Mr. Reyes Hernandez. You have to press unmute yourself, please.
Y si es eso lo que usted quiere hacer, señor Reyes Hernández, por favor, prenda su micrófono para que lo podamos, para que podamos oírlo. Señor Reyes Hernández, ¿es esto lo que usted quiere hacer?
He's having all kind of problems. All right, let's move on. I did. I need to. Listen, thanks for that drop. All right, let's go call Mr. Santi. Go, Manuel Arturo. Santizo.
Llamamos el caso de Manuel Arturo Santizo.
Presente.
All right, I called your case, sir. We dismissed your case and closed it out, okay? Thank you for completing the community service.
Señor, nosotros ya habíamos llamado su caso y habíamos desestimado su caso porque notamos que cumplió con su servicio comunitario.
¿Mande?
What did you say?
I said, you're free to leave. We closed your case out. We appreciate your community service. Thank you. And you're free to leave, sir.
Que usted ya se puede ir. Su caso lo habíamos llamado anteriormente y cerramos el caso porque usted cumplió su servicio comunitario y se lo agradecemos mucho. Y le damos gracias y ya se puede.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Great day.
Que tenga muy buen día.
Igualmente, muchas gracias.
Thank you and thank you very much.
Mr. Reyes Hernandez, are you there?
Señor Reyes Hernández, ¿ya está aquí?
We're gonna put him on. All right, I know the lady, the young lady Samsung. Please give me your name, please.
Gabriela Vidal.
Gabriela
Yes.
Vidal.
Gabriela Vidal.
Yes.
May I ask her if she needs an interpreter, Your Honor?
She does.
Oh, okay.
Good morning. Buenos dias, señorita Vidal.
Buenos días.
Good morning, Miss Vidal.
Can you spell the last name for me, please?
¿Pudiera usted, por favor, deletrear su apellido?
Sí, es V-I-D-A-L.
It's V-I-D-A-L.
Okay, Gabriel Gutierrez. Vidal Gutierrez.
¿Es Gabriela Gutiérrez Vidal? ¿Vidal Gutiérrez?
Sí.
Yes.
Dile yo que estoy en la corte, yo sí. Yo me está hablando que estoy en la corte.
Someone speaking to me from court.
City of Detroit versus Gabriela Vidal Gutierrez, case number SB 145400101. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Gabriela Gutiérrez Vidal, número de caso SP145-40101. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
State your name no, I'm sorry. State your name for the record, Ms. Gutierrez.
Señora Gutiérrez, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Sí, es Gabriela Vidal Gutiérrez.
Yes, it's Gabriela Vidal Gutierrez.
Right. Today is the date and time. It should be set for a review. I see that you paid the obligation, Ms. Gutierrez, and with that, we're going to dismiss the case, okay?
Bien, tenemos, hoy lo que habíamos programado es revisar su caso. Este es el día y es la hora que teníamos para esto. Veo que usted pagó lo que debía, la obligación que tenía, reconociendo eso, el caso suyo queda desestimado. ¿Está bien?
Sí, está bien, gracias.
Yes, that's fine. Thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Y si no tiene algo adicional que decir, señora, le deseo muy buen día y buena suerte a usted.
Gracias, igualmente, muy buen día.
Thank you. I wish you the same. Have a very good day.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. 616-594-4371. Who's that on the phone? 616-594-4371.
¿Quién es la persona con el teléfono 616-594-4371?
$586. That number is gone. Bert Gardner.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Levert. DeBron Gardner, case number SP131-02711, SP143-60951, 230-441-6001. Appearance for the record, please.
Partner.
Oh, strike the last, case number from the record.
Okay. Oh, okay. I was trying.
I don't know why that's not on my docket.
Which one?
Levert Gardner, and it's on Judge Bryant's docket. Let's keep that case number on the record. Appearance for the record, please.
Excuse me, Melita Baird on behalf of Levert Gardner. I see one case on my thing. Okay.
Yeah, I have one case. That's the trespassing. Then I have another case that's set to go to Ms. Bryant. Judge Bryant, why is that?
I have.
Well, it's got this, it seems like it's got the extra zero in there.
Supervisor. Those missing, because I don't know why driver's license is not valid and proper for expired. Look like we should come in.
It's 3 counts.
But for some reason, it was set up as a complaint no more. Let's see. Complaint date, see how it was signed by that prosecutor?
Yeah.
And then there was complaint issue to the magistrate.
Call them up, let them know. We'll do this.
You want me to call Judge Bryant?
Yeah, find out what's going on. Let me pass this matter momentarily. If I enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, I'll give him a $0 bond. let me pass the matter. What I'm trying to do, Mr. Gardner, is consolidate these issues for you so you don't have two different courts to go to.
Right, Mr. Judge Son.
Yes.
You probably don't remember me. This the same guy that when I was on federal probation and I had my license and when I voted it, got my registration, but they just entered that court, that document.
I see. Yeah. I see. 3 years. It was 3 years ago almost.
Yeah.
All right. Let's. Okay.
You want me to call Judge Bryan and then let me know that you want to go over this case?
Yeah. You may as well.
Did you want to talk with her?
Not necessarily if she needs me to.
All right.
All right. Let's pass the matter. Let's see if we can get in contact with them, and then let's get some resolution. We'll give you an opportunity to speak with the lawyer and all that.
I'm gonna call the supervisor and see why this case is.
Yeah, do what you need to do. Okay. All right, Mr. Clem Wayne Lewis.
Keelam Wayne Lewis.
Keelam.
Yeah.
I don't know. Did I?
You said no. First you did, but it's Keelam.
Keelam.
Yeah.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Keelam Wayne Lewis. Case number SP 8459351 Z8 037441 in the state of Michigan versus Keelam Wayne Lewis. Case number SX 3593841. Appearance for the record, please.
Mr. Lewis.
Breaking up, Mr. Ogletree.
Aaron Ogletree on behalf of Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, please state your name.
Keelam Wayne Lewis.
All right, today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counselor.
We wait for Marie to stand mute and ask for the bench warrant to be set aside.
And are not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lewis, let's set a trial date for these issues. They're pretty old. Pardon me?
Can I say something?
Yes.
These cases, I've been in the court for them before, like a couple of times. The judge had told me he threw them out and told me to pay $95. I ended up paying all my tickets. Like I had like 12 tickets. I paid all my tickets off, even these tickets. And then I ended up paying my last ticket. They took extra money out my account. They took like $900 out my account. I've been paying these tickets over and over and over again. These tickets from like 19.
All right, what I'm going to do is he's paid civil infractions on all the matters. I'm going to dismiss the matters for paying related civil infractions. And they're old. I have a violation of Marijuana Act that was back in 2014. The code is substantially changed by that time. I have a state driver's license never acquired ticket that he paid a no proof of insurance on 5/30/2023, and a defective equipment was paid on 12/28/2022. I have a no ops ticket from 2/15/2017 that he paid related no proof of insurance civil infraction on 3/16/2023, and a 6 to 10 over on 4/14/2023. For those reasons, I'm going to dismiss the case for paying related civil infractions. I'm going to waive the warrant fees. You're still on the hook for another $135, Mr. Lewis. You pay the reinstate. You're going to owe another $135 after this is cleared up. And And I'll waive $150 in warrant fees, all right?
But they already owe me some money. Can you just take it out of that?
Yeah, if there's a bond, we'll take it out of that and we'll apply the rest. I mean, and then you'll get refunded the rest.
Thank you so much, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, you have a very good day.
Thank you.
Are you still in the Great Lake Street address?
Yes, I am. I've been trying to get my license. I'm trying to get my license so bad. I've been paying these tickets for got me.
Well, you should have gone to Secretary of State because this stuff is not preventing you from getting a license here.
Okay. I'll be.
But it's cleared up. It's cleared up now anyway.
Thank you.
All right. Have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
Yo, thank you.
I just want to bring some attention about the case.
What's that?
Okay, so a lot of times when you're looking at the screen, you can only, if you're looking at the defendant summary.
No, I slowed it down.
You see all this other stuff, you still want to take this on?
What is the difference?
So, because it's got other higher misdemeanors.
License plates.
Title unusable, he got 2 counts and it was signed by a prosecutor, so that's probably why they signed it.
Ask them what they want to do. Ask them over there what they want to do.
You want to still take on all of this?
Ask them what.
Okay.
Because it's got we have one of the cases anyway.
Okay.
So ask Judge Brown what she wants to do.
All right.
Please. All right, on the Ramirez, Bilsawi Ramirez.
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning. How are you, sir?
Very well.
I need an interpreter.
Yeah, we have one.
Aquí está el intérprete, señor. Buenos días. The interpreter is here. Good morning. Buenos días, señor.
Buenos días. ¿Qué tal?
Good morning. How are you?
City of Detroit versus Bilsan Ramirez Ramos. Case numbers SP 1457505, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 1467364, counts 1 and counts 2. The record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Bilsan Ramírez Ramos. Números de caso SP 145-7505, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Aaron Overton for Mr. Ramirez.
Bilson Ramirez Ramos.
Yes, Bilson Ramírez Ramos. Habla el abogado Aaron Ogletree, representando al señor Ramírez Ramos.
All right, today is the date and time set for an arraignment. Go ahead, counselor.
Este es el día y esta es la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la lectura de cargos. Usted puede proceder ahora, licenciado.
We wait for Marie to stand mute.
Denunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos y vamos a guardar silencio.
All right, I'm enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We're going to give your client a $0 bond.
Así que voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente y le voy a dar una fianza de $0.
I have a couple of different cases here. Does your client have a valid driver's license?
Yo tengo un par de diferentes casos aquí. Dígame, ¿su cliente tiene una licencia vigente de conducir?
Yes. No. Okay, thank you. All right, bye-bye. She said no, Judge.
Hello.
Get a free trial date.
I'm afraid they might just send it back. All right. All right. Thank you. Well, let's ask her if she want to take on the other night. All right.
Get a free trial. All right.
I need a free trial date.
Does your client have a valid license?
¿Cliente tiene una licencia vigente?
Mi licencia está expirada.
My license expired.
Okay. His offer is going to be does he want to go get a valid license?
¿Usted quiere ir y conseguir una licencia de conducir?
Estoy esperando para que me llegue mi permiso para poder renovarlo.
Well, I'm waiting to get my permit so that then I can get it.
All right, his offer is going to be 12 hours of community service, pleading to the allowing, dismissing the rest. He has an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with the attorney.
Bien, señora, así que le vamos a hacer una oferta a usted de 12 horas de servicio comunitario para resolver el asunto. Vamos a reducir el cargo que le permitió a una persona sin licencia a conducir y lo vamos a pasar a una sala privada de consulta para que usted pueda hablar con su abogado defensor.
Sí. Tengo otra pregunta. Me llegaron 2 tickets, uno del 622 y uno de hoy. ¿Por qué me llegaron 2 tickets?
I have a question. I received 2 tickets, one for June 22nd, one for today.
We're consolidating both the matters. That's gonna take care of both the matters.
Pero vamos a consolidar los 2 asuntos para poder resolver todo.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine.
All right. Join the breakout room. Let him know he has an absolute right to a trial, and then find out what he wants to do. If he wants to take the deal, please read his advice and rights and get a good phone number from him and give him the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Señor.
Voy a conseguir una licencia.
¿Va a conseguir una licencia?
Sí, sí.
I am going to be able to get a license.
Is he? All right, so you want to set a pre-trial date? How long is it going to take him to get a license?
¿Y cuánto tiempo se va a tardar usted para poder conseguir la licencia? ¿Le podemos dar otra fecha para regresar, para tener otra consulta previa?
Un mes.
1 month.
All right. Let's set a pre-trial date on all the matters.
Así que entonces le vamos a dar una fecha para tener la consulta previa a juicio para que podamos tener todos los asuntos para ese día.
All right. Let me see. I'm going to have you back on. We'll set a free trial on all matters for July the 12th, 2023 at 8:30. All right.
Así que vamos a tener una audiencia el 12 de julio del 2023 a las 8:30. Esa audiencia se llama la consulta previa al juicio. Vamos a escuchar los 3 asuntos en ese día.
Julio.
July what?
12, 2023 at 8:30. Bring a valid driver's license, registration, and insurance on that day, please.
Es el 12 de julio del 2023 a las 8:30 de la mañana. Es ese día, por favor, traiga su licencia vigente, comprobante de registración y comprobante de seguro de vehículo, por favor.
Ok.
Ok.
Y la pregunta que le hago, ¿el 622 se va a unir hasta el julio también? ¿Es un solo caso?
And the question I have for you now is this: the matter from June 22nd, that's going to be heard on July 12th as well?
Yes, it's C.
Sí.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Así que si no tiene algo más, señor, le deseo muy buen día y le deseamos buena suerte.
Dios le bendiga.
May God bless you.
You as well.
Usted también.
Bye.
Okay, who do we have left? Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Levert Devron Gardner. Mr. Gardner, you have trespassing with us and expired plates. And that other ticket that you got from 2020, Judge Bryan is she wants to handle that case, which is her. She fully has that right to do so. So we can do one of two things, sir. We can transfer all of it over there and you deal with it all on one time at one time, or you can take care of the two obligations here and and then go to Judge Bryan. You have your next court date with Judge Bryan is going to be June the 27th, 2023 at 8:30. That's an arraignment.
Right. I only got Detroit. I'm dealing with Oakland County right now. They got my license. My license is suspended for a year right now to next year in April. But Oakland County, I got something really going on with them. You know what I'm saying? They took my license. So what I'm saying is, this trespass, I'm pleading not guilty on that because I wasn't trespassing. The officer, I don't know. He told me. I can't even tell you about that system. I wasn't even trespassing. But that ticket with Miss Bryant, I was on federal.
We don't need to talk about that, sir. You're gonna have to do that with the lawyer over there. Now, all I need to know from you, do you want to take care of the trespassing here, or do you want to go over to Judge Bryan and take care of all of them?
It's up to you, Mr. Judge.
No, it's not. I'm leaving it up to you.
Well, I want to take care of the trespassing with you because your name on the on the case.
So the trespassing expired plates will be us, and we'll just set a trial date for those dates. All right. Because you've already indicated that you weren't trespassing, so I'm going to set a trial date for the trespassing and the expired plate. All right.
All right.
And that date, trial date of hearing, and that date is going to be July the 5th. Well, no. It's going to be July the 31st. July the 31st at 9 a.m. Come back then and we'll deal with the trespassing and the expired plate. And then you make sure you get to Judge Bryant on the 27th.
So I thought she had the expired plates.
Well, let me see what the expired plate is. I don't think so. Maybe he wrote you at the same time with the expired plate. I don't know.
No, I wouldn't even.
2023. No,
right.
The expired plate is here.
Well, I wasn't even driving, Your Honor.
Listen, Mr. Gardner. Let's deal with it on the date of trial. That's your defense, okay?
All right.
And I'm gonna tell you this. You don't have to be driving to have expired plates, all right? So I wouldn't come with that. You go get some plates on the car.
I ain't got no, I got a new car.
All right, we'll bring some plates for that. Come on, July 31st, 2023 at 9 a.m., all right?
All right, well, my license suspended, Judge, for a year to
Well,
next
why
year.
do you have a new card in? I don't want to hear anymore, Mr. Gardner.
No,
I don't want to hear it.
I got a case going on with Oakland County. That's all I'm saying.
I heard all of that. I heard all of that. You had a case going on with Oakland County. You got cases in Winning County. You got federal cases. You got cases all over the country.
No, I'm off federal probation, bro.
I know. You got cases all over the country.
All right.
All right.
July 31st.
Make sure you get to Judge Bryant 6/27/2023 at 8:30 and come back here July 31st, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right.
All right.
All right. There's nothing further. Have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you. All right. 616-594-4371. Who is that on the phone, please?
¿Quién es que está con el teléfono 616-594-4371? Por favor.
They don't want to respond. So let's move on to Arius Langley. Ms. Robinson.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you, who's on the Motorola Moto G Pure?
¿Quién es que tiene el
Person that was driving, I had to put out the broom.
¿Quién es que tiene el teléfono Motorola Moto G Pure?
The gentleman on the Motorola G Pure. You're in the car.
El joven con el Motorola Moto Pure. ¿Usted está en el carro?
All right, Arius Langley. It's the city of Detroit versus Arius Langley, case numbers SP 107-12881, SP 107-13011, SP 1182176, counts 1 and counts 2, and Z8086461. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ocean bound for Arius Langley.
No, that's for Attorney Robinson, Mr. Overtree. Good morning, Attorney Robinson. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson, P63181. I am present in 36th District Court in a different courtroom.
Very well. Ms. Langley, can you state your name for the record, please, and turn your camera on, please?
Eris Langley. And I'm currently, well, I'm at work. I'm on my break. I'm about to walk back into work. They don't allow phones. So.
Turn your camera on, ma'am.
Did you hear what I said, Your Honor?
I heard what you said. Did you hear what I said? All right. Today is the date and time set for a, what is this, a final pretrial? What's going to go on with this case?
Judge, my client would like to keep the trial date. She would like to waive the jury. She'd like to go with the bench trial tomorrow.
All right, very well. Bench trial tomorrow at 9 a.m., ma'am. You can't have that. I'm allowing you to be here from work, but you're going to have to either ask your employer for some time or you're going to have to take the day off.
I just got this job. I'm in a probationary period. I have been asking them to relieve me and they haven't been able to.
All right,
So
well,
I
I'm
can,
just saying, and between 9 and 9:30, or let's just say after 9:30,
Thank you.
you gotta kind of be available, all right? All right, so come back tomorrow. You can be at work. I don't want you to miss your job or lose your job. Come back tomorrow. Let's cancel the jury. Let's make it a bench trial, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right. I'll see you tomorrow, Miss Langton.
Thank you, Your Honor.
thank you.
Have a great day.
Okay.
All right. On the phone, 616-594-4371.
La persona que está por teléfono y el número es el 616-594-4371. Identifíquese.
All right. And that person on the phone just moved or did something. Who's on the telephone?
¿Quién está por teléfono?
Soy yo.
It's me.
What's your name, sir?
¿Cuál es su
Sí,
nombre, señor?
Relio Sánchez López.
Sánchez López.
Ya, no pude entrar temprano porque mi teléfono tiene problemas con internet.
I wasn't able to show up early because I was having difficulty with my phone.
With is he on that 616-594-4371 number?
Señor, su número de teléfono es el 616-594-4371.
Sí.
Yes.
No, 6572.
No, this is the gentleman on the Motorola Moto Jeep.
Motorola, yeah. 6572, yeah.
And this is the gentleman that was driving while he was in my courtroom.
Y este es el joven que estaba manejando cuando estaba en mi sala de tribunal.
No, no estoy manejando.
You were. I saw you. You're in the car right now.
Sí, sí, usted estaba manejando. Está en el carro en este momento.
That's why I put you out the room earlier.
Y por eso es que lo sacamos de la sala anteriormente.
Estaba haciendo algo, mi teléfono no sirve. Tuve que ir a recoger aquí algo cerca, pero estoy en mi casa afuera.
Okay, my phone wasn't working, but now I'm outside of my house. I had to go get something.
Yo perdí mi trabajo ahorita porque tengo que arreglar esto porque me urge a mí.
And I lost my job because I need to get this fixed.
I'm sorry that you lose your job, but don't tell me you weren't driving when I see it with my own eyes.
Lo siento que usted perdió el trabajo, pero no me diga a mí que usted no está manejando cuando yo lo veo con mis propios ojos.
Bueno, pero yo por eso me urge arreglar esto porque yo necesito mi licencia.
Yes, and that's why I want to take care of this matter because I need my license.
Tengo hijos que mantener solos.
I have children to support.
City of Detroit versus Celio Sanchez Lopez, case number C54-31391.
Your Honor, the interpreter does not see him on her docket. Could you?
835, bottom of 835.
At 8:35?
Yes, bottom of 835.
Oh, 8:35. I see Riley and Eduardo Plata at the bottom of 8:35.
Yeah, you must have a different docket.
I think so, Your Honor. If I can ask him for his full name and get the case number from you, Your Honor.
Find out that.
Yes, sí, señor. Dígame su nombre completo, por favor. Señor.
He's gone.
What name did he say, Your Honor?
I thought he said Sanchez Lopez, CEO Sanchez Lopez.
Uh-huh. And is there a case number for him?
Yes, it's plenty. He's got case number. Trying to see which one he has for me. Oh, there it is. So he's got case C543139. He's got case number SP134-18091.
That'll do, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Let's see here. All right, and that person on the phone, I'm gonna put that person out. Because they never responded. For Joseph John Ramirez, Mr. Phillips, I guess we've given him a couple of different times to show. We'll just default that as a civil infraction. Can you put a default, or you just let it go into default?
Which one is
The civil infraction.
Oh, I put it in the
All right, we'll just default him. And then Savion Johnson, he's I think I'm rewriting this one. All right, sir, what is your name, or who's on the phone there?
Richard Lee.
Richard Lee.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Let's see. Richard Lee, what's your middle name, please?
Sheridan.
What's your middle name, if you have one?
Sheridan.
Sure. You're a month early, sir, 7/14/2023.
Oh, 7.
July
Oh, I
14.
thought. Hello. Okay.
July 14th, 2023, all right?
Yes, sir.
Have a great day, sir.
You as well.
City of Detroit versus Leo Sanchez Lopez, case number C54-31391, SP 134-18091, SP 134-3023, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 134-3474, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 138-6501, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 138-65331, 227-32597, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Leo Sánchez López. Números de caso SP13418091, SP13865331, 227-32593, cargos 1 y 2. I apologize, Your Honor, I did not get all of the numbers.
Oiga, ¿por qué me hacen un caso bien grande cuando solo son tickets que la policía me ha parado porque quiere?
Listen, why is this such a big case when it's just tickets that the police gave me when they stopped me?
I don't even want to answer that. I'm going to put him in the breakout room and just talk to the lawyer. Mr. Ogletree, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Johnny, le voy a contestar esa pregunta. Lo voy a pasar a una sala de consulta para que hable con su abogado. Señor Ogletree, por favor, diga su nombre.
Aaron Ogletree, Mr. Sanchez.
Sí, señor Ogletree, sí. Aaron Ogletree representando al señor López Sánchez.
Ask him, is he trying to do community service to clear some of this stuff up before we even have the conversation? If not, I'll send him over to his alphabet judge, Judge Archer.
Usted pregúntele a él si él quiere hacer servicio comunitario para resolver algunos de estos asuntos. Si no quiere hacer servicio comunitario, lo vamos a mandar al juez que le tocaría a él según su apellido. El juez, la juez Archer.
Join the breakout room, please.
Acepte y pase a la sala de consulta privada, por favor.
Okay.
Okay.
We lost him.
Oh.
Ms. Snyder, can you come down and get us a offer for him, please? Unless you want me to read off the stuff there. Just tickets. Yes. And he's driving on the court. Reyes never showed back up. Ed John Johnson proceeded a lot of community service. Not here today for those trials. Let's bring it on. If I have a job, but still needs to check that in. Officer Lavoski, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, Savion Johnson didn't appear. We're going to show cause. All right, and I'll have you down as here. If there's nothing further, be safe. I was trying to get Officer Robinson out of that room as well.
Yeah, I saw his name on the breakout room, but I don't know.
You never saw him, did you?
I never saw him, no.
All right, you're free to leave, Ms. Officer Bosco. Just be safe out there, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
All right, thank you.
One allowing, one improper plate, one blockaded, and everything else.
All right, Officer Robinson, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. How you doing?
Very well. I pulled you out. Savon Johnson didn't show, so we're going to issue a show cause for him, all right?
Okay, sounds good, sir. You and your staff have a good day.
All right, you too. Thank you much. Be safe.
Thank you.
I'm just, no, I think it's up there. Okay. No, because I got a couple of tomorrow. Yeah. Well, I gotta organize. I gotta organize. I just like I normally do, and I'm just working on. I'm stamping the night so I can take it downstairs. How you doing today? Oh well, it is what it is. Yes, that'd be good. All right, bye bye. Judge, can you look at this driver's license for me? And tell me what's preventing this person from moving. Judge Perkins Courtroom, this is Jamira. How can I help you? Right. Right, I remember you, Mr. Gavin, right? Okay, I haven't forgotten about you. My court reporter wasn't here yesterday. So I'm going to shoot her email today, so she can look at it and see what happened. So you have to give me a chance, like I told you, I have to look into it, and then once I look into it, and you can move forward, okay? Because like I told you, I got you marked as filed, I just gotta get record of it, you know what I'm saying? So once I do that, I can move forward. Yeah, sorry for the inconvenience. Thank you for your due diligence. Mhm. Well, you can't, yeah, right. Right, and so you said up until this Friday, so, right. So until I update it, it can't, you wouldn't be able to make the video yet anyway. So I'm just, like I said, she wasn't here yesterday. I'm gonna reach out to her today, shoot her email. And, yeah. Okay, I just been working. Yeah, I got your phone number. Nope, I got your phone number. I got your phone number, 650-485-9068. If you don't hear from me by the end of the week, by this week, I'll call you Monday. I mean, not Monday, to close, the court is closed actually on Monday. You will hear from me on Tuesday, okay? No later than Tuesday. All right, bye-bye. Bye.
Ma'am,
Yes,
that's something you need me for?
I sure do. Glad you heard me struggling. All right, on, it was a gentleman, I had him marked as present. He came on June the 2nd. 8:35 pre-trial, and I don't have an update for him. So I was just concerned as to what happened.
What's his name?
His name is Ali Gali, G-A-L-G-A-L-I, Ali Maru. Yeah, I don't have an entry for him, so I was concerned as to what happened. But I got him marked as present on my calendar.
What's present?
Yeah, but I told him I have to just see if I can pull his file. I think I scheduled, let me see what date I scheduled. 8/10.
He was to pay, he had a pay by date.
For Friday.
Pay 125.
So you say pay 125 by Friday?
I don't know. I didn't, for some reason, I didn't write the date down, but he had a pay by date. He was supposed to pay 125.
Do you remember the ticket number?
It is, looks like, is it SP 144-045?
No, let me see. So I got SP1. No, it's not. He got SP.
May have gone. Or it's not 065. I don't know what.
Okay, give it to me. Give it to me from the top. It said SP
144-0, either 045 or either 065.
No, that's not. That's not.
Okay, so the judge may have called it really fast and I missed the number.
Okay, because he has some duplicate tickets, and so he said he had to pay 125. He's probably this one.
Okay, are we back on Mr. Sanchez Lopez?
Muy bien, volvemos al caso del señor Sánchez López, ¿no? Sí.
All right, I have an offer for your client.
Ya yo tengo una oferta de la fiscalía para su cliente.
And it's pleading to take your hat off, Mr. Sanchez Lopez.
Sánchez López, por favor, quítese la gorra.
It's pleading to the allowing improper plate. Both of those are misdemeanors. None of those will abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore they won't carry any points 12 hours of community service apiece for those, and 1 count of blocking traffic in lieu of fines and costs, 6 hours of community service, and will dismiss the rest of the case.
Así que, señor, esta es la oferta que tenemos para usted de la fiscalía. Si usted se declara culpable, haberle permitido a una persona sin licencia a conducir y a que llevaba las placas incorrectas, los cuales son delitos menores, entonces sépase que estos cargos se les revelan a la Secretaría del Estado. Ellos no van a saber. Y son cargos que llevan 0 puntos en su licencia de conducir. Y le daríamos 12 horas por cada cargo. Y entonces le añadimos un cargo de haber bloqueado el tránsito y por eso le pedimos 6 horas. Los otros cargos se los desestimamos completamente.
Está bien, perfecto.
That's fine, perfect.
You want to take the deal, sir?
¿Usted quiere aceptar esta oferta, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
Were you able to read them as advice or rights, Mr. Ogletree?
Y señor Ogletree, ¿usted pudo decirle los derechos que él tiene constitucionales?
Yes, and he apologizes to the court for his previous behavior as well.
Sí, señoría, y él quiere disculparse con la corte por el comportamiento de él anteriormente.
All right, sir, can you raise your right hand, please?
Bien, señor, ¿puede usted levantar la mano derecha, por favor?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir.
Ya puede bajar la mano, señor.
Do you understand, sir, you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense and potentially implicate immigration issues?
Y señor, ¿comprende usted que usted no es ciudadano de los Estados Unidos? Una condena de un delito menor le puede causar consecuencias con inmigración?
Sí, sí lo sé.
Yes, yes, I know that.
Do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Y comprende usted que la pena máxima para estos cargos serían 93 días en la cárcel máximo y o $500 máximo en multas?
Sí, sí lo
Yes,
sé.
yes, I know that.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de tener un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand, Mr. Ogletree went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y el señor Ogletree revisó sus otros derechos cuando estaban ustedes en la sala de consulta, ¿no es cierto?
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y esos derechos que él le dijo, usted los entendió?
Sí.
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
Si tiene usted alguna pregunta con respecto a esos derechos.
No lo creo. Creo que queda limpio pago esto.
Your Honor, he broke up. May I ask him to repeat his response?
Porque yo soy residente.
Señor, no se oyó bien la comunicación. Vuelva y repita su respuesta.
Que como él dice que yo sí arreglo esto con el servicio comunitario, no voy a tener cargos malos para que me afecte con migración, porque yo soy residente.
I am a resident. So what he's saying is that if I do community service, then I won't have anything that can hurt me.
That, well, they're going to be dismissed. The cases are going to be dismissed. So I can't say exactly what will happen. by taking the plea, but the cases will be dismissed.
Bueno, yo no le puedo dejar saber a usted exactamente lo que va a pasar, pero le puedo decir esto. Si usted acepta este acuerdo de culpabilidad, los casos quedan desestimados.
Ok, está bien, gracias. Está bien, muchas gracias.
That's fine, thank you.
All right. And Mr. Ogletree went over your other advice or rights, did he not?
Y el señor Ogletree, usted revisó con él sus derechos que están en el formulario que es el aviso de derechos, ¿no es cierto?
Sí.
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió sus derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
¿Y tiene usted alguna pregunta con respecto a sus derechos?
Todo está bien.
No, it's fine.
You know, when you take this deal, you'll be giving up those rights?
Y usted sabe que cuando usted acepta este acuerdo, usted renuncia a esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what we said we'll do today?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo diferente de lo que ya hemos hablado aquí, que vamos a hacer y que consta en el acta?
Todo bien.
No.
Okay, let me draw your attention way back to July the 27th, 2019, at around 10:28 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Tyerman and Abington, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Así que, señor, permíteme llamarle la atención a una fecha vieja de 27 de julio del 2019, aproximadamente a las 10:28 de la mañana, en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles de Tyerman y Abington. ¿Tuvo usted la oportunidad de encontrarse con un policía del departamento de policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
¿Qué otra calle dijo, perdón?
What was that? Excuse me?
Did you get pulled over on July 27, 2019 at around 10:28 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Tyerman and Abington driving 2008 Ford?
Te pregunté que si un policía lo para usted el 27 de julio del 2019, aproximadamente a las 10:28 en la mañana, en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles de Tyerman y Abington, y usted iba manejando un carro Ford del 2008.
Sí. Eso sí me pararon ahí.
I'll ask him to repeat because it broke up again, Your Honor. Señor, por favor, repita su respuesta.
Sí, me pararon en la Tyreman, pero no, la otra calle no recuerdo.
Yes, I was stopped at Tyerman, but I don't remember the name of the other street.
Very well. Were you operating a motor vehicle that day?
Muy bien. ¿Y usted iba manejando un vehículo motorizado ese día?
Sí.
Yes.
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y un policía le pidió a usted que le enseñara una licencia vigente de conducir?
Sí.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
Y eso usted no lo pudo hacer, ¿verdad?
Pues no recuerdo, ese es el problema, pero a lo mejor no, si no la traía, no.
Well, I don't remember. That's the problem. But if I didn't have it, well then, no.
Well, you remember operating a vehicle on that day, correct?
Pero usted recuerda haber estado manejando un vehículo ese día, ¿verdad?
Sí, sí.
Yes, yes.
Did you have a license while you were operating that vehicle?
¿Y tenía usted una licencia cuando estaba manejando ese vehículo?
Es que no me acuerdo. Ese es el problema.
That I don't remember.
Have you ever had a valid license, sir?
¿Alguna vez ¿Ha tenido usted una licencia vigente de conducir, señor?
Sí, sí, tengo la vigente ya. Lo tengo. No está vigente porque por los tickets ya me la cancelaron, pero sí tengo vigente.
Yes, I do have a valid one. And again, he broke up. I didn't hear his last statement, Your Honor. Would you like the interpreter to ask him to repeat his response?
Yeah, you can ask him to repeat.
Señor, por favor, repita cuál fue su respuesta.
De que sí, ahorita sí tengo una licencia, pero está suspendida por los tickets que tengo.
Well, I have a license now, but it is suspended due to the tickets that I have.
Do you know whether it was suspended back on on July the 27th of 2019?
¿Y sabe usted si para la fecha del 27 de julio del 2019 la licencia estaba suspendida ese día?
Yo pienso que tenía unos tickets en Dearborn, me habían suspendido la licencia, pero ya pagué.
Repita.
Que sí, yo pienso que los tenía suspendidos por unos tickets en Dearborn. Ya cancelé todo eso, ya arreglé.
Yes, I think that it was suspended back then in Dearborn, but I think I paid.
All right, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Order him to do 12 hours of community service. For that, I told him I'd dismiss that upon completion.
Muy bien, así que encuentro que su cliente es culpable del cargo modificado de que le permitió a una persona sin licencia conducir. Le voy a pedir que cumpla 12 horas de servicio comunitario y el caso queda desestimado una vez que él haya terminado las 12 horas de servicio.
Let me draw your attention back to May the 6th, 2022, at around 2:46 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Honoran and Pitt Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Y ahora permíteme a llamarle la atención a otra fecha, el 6 de mayo del 2022, aproximadamente a las 2:46 de la madrugada, en la ciudad de Detroit. ¿Estaba usted en el área de las calles de Pitt y Honoran cuando lo paró un policía del Departamento de Policía de Detroit?
Pero ¿en qué calle, perdón? ¿Qué calle dijo?
But on what street did you say? Excuse me?
On, what is that? Honorah and Pitt Street, Honorah.
La calle es Honorah, Honorah,
Sí.
cerca
Sí.
de la calle Pitt.
Sí, fue para 5 de mayo, sí.
Yes, and that was for May 5th, 5 de mayo, May 5th.
May 6th. Were you operating a motor vehicle on that day, sir?
Pero me refiero al 6 de mayo. ¿Estaba usted manejando un vehículo ese día, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
Sí. Andaba.
Did you come encounter with the Detroit police on that day?
Y ese día usted se encontró con un policía del Departamento de Policía de Detroit.
Sí, ellos me siguieron y me pararon.
Yes, they followed me.
All right. And did that officer ask you to produce some, was there something wrong with the plates on that 2002 Ford, sir?
Y algo iba mal con las placas que tenía ese carro, marca Ford del 2002, señor.
Sí, las placas no le había hecho la transferencia.
Yes, I had not transferred the plates.
All right, very well. I'm gonna find your client.
Señor.
Sí, ese era yo. Nomás que no había hecho la transferencia, pero sí era mi carro. Es mi carro.
Yes, that was me, and that was my car, but I had not transferred the plates yet.
I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of improper, as charged to improper plates. I'll 12 hours of community service for that. I'll dismiss upon completion.
Muy bien, así que encuentro que su cliente es culpable y acepto la declaración de culpable por cargo modificado a tener las placas incorrectas. No, perdón, es el cargo tal como fue acusado, placas incorrectas. Y le voy a pedir 12 horas de servicio comunitario y desestimo el caso una vez que él haya cumplido esas 12 horas.
As for the civil infraction, Counselor, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Y licenciado, con respecto a la infracción civil, usted va a estipular que puedo yo depender de lo que dice la boleta de infracción para establecer la declaración. Sí, su señoría, yo lo estipulo.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the rest of the matters?
Yes.
Va usted a estipular que hay causa probable para desestimar los otros asuntos. Sí, estoy de acuerdo, lo desestimulo. Lo estipulo, gracias.
Okay, with that, I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. In lieu of fines and costs, I'm going to allow you to do 6 hours of community service, and I'm going to dismiss the other matters. That's going to be a total of 30 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Muy bien, así que acepto la declaración de responsable al cargo modificado que estaba bloqueando el tránsito y le voy a pedir horas de servicio comunitario para que llegue un total de 30 horas en total de servicio comunitario.
I need a good phone number from you, sir.
Necesito, señor, que usted me dé un buen número de teléfono para usted.
Sí. ¿Lo ocupa ya? Se lo doy. 248.
Yeah. Are you ready for me to give it to you?
¿Lo ocupa ya?
Are you ready?
248.
I'm ready.
Estoy listo, démelo.
248 901 6572
65
72
72
248 901 6572
248-901-6572.
Okay, I need him to take the number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Ahora, señor, necesito que usted apunte este número que le voy a dar, que es para el Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit.
Ok, dame un segundo, voy a apuntar.
Okay, give me a second to get a pen.
Ya lo tengo, dígamelo.
I've got it now. Could you give me the number?
All right, Trace 879-2155.
313-879-2155.
Contact Ms. Quinteo when you hang up and set up those hours. I'm going to give you until July the 12th to complete the hours.
Cuando terminemos aquí, llame ese número y pida hablar con la señorita Carmencita Buentello para que puedan hacer los arreglos para las horas de servicio comunitario.
Sí, pero el número, perdón, el número no lo
Yes,
conté.
excuse me, but could I have the number again?
Trace 879-2155.
313-879-2155. Y le damos hasta el 12 de julio para que cumpla esas horas de servicio comunitario.
Ok, dice 879-2155.
Okay, and you said 879-2155?
Sí.
Yes.
El nombre de la señora, perdón.
And what is the name of the lady? Excuse me, I'm sorry. What is the name of the lady?
Mrs. Puenteo.
La señorita Buentello.
Buenferio, ¿cómo?
Buentello.
Buenfeo.
No, Buentello.
Ferio.
Tello.
Feyo, Buenfeyo.
Carmencita Buentello.
Ok. Ok, está bien. Muchas gracias.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you very much.
All right, if you have any further day, hope you have a better day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Y le deseo que tenga un mejor día y buena suerte a usted, señor.
Muchas gracias al Señor, dígale.
Yes, please tell the gentleman that I thank him very much.
Very well.
Está bien.
Muchas gracias, oiga, por su transmisión.
And thank you very much for this communication.
Very well.
Muy bien.
Bye-bye. All right, that would seem to do it for today. If it's nothing further, we lost a couple of people. Mr. Michael Roosevelt Lee, and we lost Reyes Hernandez. I don't know what happened to them. But I'm going to put show cause on them, and I'm closing out these reviews that have met their obligation. So if there's nothing further, Ms. Mathis, Ms. Williams-Law, Ms. Schneider, Ms. Barrett, Ms. Puenteo, Ms. Villaroo, and Mr. Ogletree and Mr. Phillips, everybody